Some of Dell Latitude E6430 users do not have access to their laptop's BIOS. In this particular case I need to load BIOS defaults. I press F12 key, then BIOS setup. And instead of load defaults button I see unlock button. I am asked to enter a password here. Also I am given a serial number. Let's visit bios-pw.org website. Remember our serial number? Just enter your serial number and press Get Password. Take a password from Dell from serial number line. Let's try this password. Type it in and press Ctrl plus Enter. There is no unlock button here anymore. And I have full access to BIOS. Subscribe to my channel and hit that like button down below the video.